Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sydney. Today is Wednesday. What day is it? Wednesday, July 17th. Sorry about my hair. It is very humid here. It is very hot. Anyway, so I wanted to make this video today because I put up a post yesterday in my Posh Boss group about social media, and I had so many of you contact me and email me wanting to learn social media, specifically Instagram, which makes me so excited because Instagram is an amazing way to grow your business, to market your business, to grow your personal brand. There's so many things that you can do with Instagram, and in terms of marketing your business and in terms of creating another stream of income through Instagram. So I want to talk to you today about ways that you can actually make money on Instagram. So I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can make money on Instagram. If this is something that you would like to do, that you're interested in, send me an email. I'm going to put my email address down below. I would love to work with you. I have some things coming up that I'd love for you to be a part of. A lot of you emailed me yesterday from the post, and I'm so happy to have you guys on board with this. But I want to help you guys grow your Instagrams and grow your personal brand and extend your business through that and build your business and be able to have multiple streams of income and know how to make money this way. So I want to talk to you about 3 ways that you can make money through Instagram. The first way is direct selling. I know a lot of you are fellow Poshmark sellers from my Posh Boss group. So the first way is direct selling, and that is where you are actually selling something to people through Instagram. And I'm gonna go a lot more in depth on this in a training that I have coming up. So definitely email me if you're interested in that. But direct selling on Instagram. So that is where somebody buys something from you through Instagram. For example, a lot of fashion bloggers sell their designer items on Instagram. They post them in their stories. Somebody wants to buy it and they buy it that way. That's kind of how they advertise that they are for sale. So you can sell things directly. A lot of people who have consignment stores, places like Plato's Closet, Style Encore, places like that, they actually sell things directly on Instagram as well. I used to work for one of these stores, and we would ship out things all the time that people would call the store and purchase from Instagram. So that is the first way that you can make money on Instagram. The second way that you can make money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing, and that is posting affiliate links that allow you to earn a commission if somebody buys an item through your links. For example, say you use a label printer for your business and you post that label printer on Instagram and people start asking you where they can buy it. You can actually post an affiliate link for that product, and if somebody buys your product through that affiliate link, you will earn a commission from them buying it through that link. It actually tracks it, and you will earn a commission from that, which is a percentage of the sale. It's no extra cost to the customer. It's just you get a little something for recommending the product. Now, the third way that you can make money through Instagram, which takes a little bit longer to do, but that is through getting brand and sponsorship deals. And that is when you have a following on Instagram and a company will contact you and approach you and ask if you would like to work with them. And they will compensate you for this, either by paying you kind of just a set fee to advertise their product for them, or sometimes they will just send you the product for free, and that is the compensation that you get. You get the free product, they get some free marketing, everybody wins. So these are 3 ways that you can make money on Instagram. Instagram is an amazing way to extend your business, and it's very important that you use Instagram to market your business and to kind of let people know that you exist. And the great thing about it is that it's free. You just need to know kind of what to post on there. You need to have content. You need to represent yourself and your business, whatever your niche is on Instagram, you have to create the content to do that. So all of this works together to build into your personal brand that will allow you to actually make money by posting on Instagram. So I just wanted to share these 3 ways with you so that you can kind of understand how Instagram works. You can easily make money on Instagram, and you know, the best thing about it is that you don't have to have millions and millions of followers to make money on Instagram, especially if you have a service or if you have a product that you're selling. You can sell that to people on Instagram without having millions of followers. You don't have to have that many followers. You just have to post and make yourself known, because nobody's going to be able to buy from you if they don't know that you exist. So like I said, I would love to work with you and help you. Send me an email. It's down below in the description box, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.